day of emotional protesting in New Jersey as the reality of the Supreme Court decision sets in around the nation. News 12's Brittany Cadet in Fair Lawn, where crowds are focusing again on abortion rights.
Protesters advocating for women's rights gathered on Fair Lawn Avenue.
I believe that women's bodies are their own to make choices on, and not the choice of 6 conservative judges on the Supreme Court.
Bonnie, who says she's been an activist all her life, tells us what she's experienced before abortions were made legal in the United States. She tells us she feels like women's rights are pushed back to how they were 50 years ago.
I had friends at Barnard College and in high school who had abortions that were illegal and almost died. I've always been for reproductive rights. I marched 50 years ago. I marched in Washington. I marched here and in New York City. And now here we are again.
Protesters took a walk down Fair Lawn Avenue with their signs in the air, chanting while cars were honking in solidarity with them.
So it's not just, oh, women can't have abortion. Guess what's next? Gay rights. Guess what's next? Contraceptives.
Back in May, Governor Phil Murphy announced in New Jersey the state will have reproductive freedom, saying women will always have a choice over their own bodies and the right to make their own medical decisions. We asked protesters why they continue to rally in New Jersey, being that abortions are still legal throughout the state.
We have these rights because Governor Murphy has decided that we can have them. If we get some Yahoo in office at the next time around, we might not have them.
Protesters made it clear that until abortion rights are considered a constitutional right for the entire country, they will not stop fighting for the rights of women. In Fair Lawn, Brittany Cadet, News 12, New Jersey.
And hundreds of anti-abortion advocates have rallied in New Jersey as well this weekend. Reverend Gregory Quinian of the Center for Garden State Families tells us they recognize nothing has changed in New Jersey. Quote, "We are a prolific abortion hub. We remain committed to saving lives, lovingly demonstrating that life begins at the moment of conception."